Mga may loves, ingat-ingat kasi medyo pabugso-bugso ang ulan sa iba't ibang mga lugar, 'no, yung biglang uulan ng malakas tas hihinto agad. Tas uulan ulit, 'no, 'yan. So, huwag kalimutan magdala ng payong, umbrella, raincoat, kahit anong panangga sa ulan. Oo, parang meron ditong something na mabilis, parang bigla-bigla. I want to use the word bigla-bigla rito. Yan, so aalamin natin. Oh, I just heard near or in Tagalog, lapit, no? Or malapit, no? Ang yabang naman. Alam yung Tagalog ng malapit, no? I know you're proud of me. Yes, ano ba tong malapit na to? Look at that. See? Talking about bigla-bigla. Tower energy. Something na bigla-bigla na lang. Darating. Or mangyayari. Let us see. But justice is here. I just saw it while shopping. So it's something here na sinasabi sa akin that you are deserving this or deserving of this. Let us see. Wow! So, pinaghahanda ka dito mga babes, 'no? Ito yung klase ng energy na pinaghahanda ka dito, 'no? At lumalabas rito, 'no? Hindi naman talaga ito for all, pero may mga mauuna na rito, 'no? Mauunang ano miss 'yan, 'no? May mga mauunang mga energies rito, 'no? Na 1 week na lang bago ito mangyari. Kaya naman 1 week na lang ang preparation mo. Ano ba 'yan miss 'yan? Kinakabahan naman ako sa sinasabi mo. So nakita natin dito 'no, this is new beginning right in here, this is new beginning as well right in here 'no. So we have here 0 to 1. So it looks like kung ano man itong klase ng message na 'to napakaganda. It's very related sa yung future right in here 'no, and I'm seeing 'no, na kung ano man ito 'no, it's coming. See, you have 1 week left to prepare, yan oh. So wow, let me see. Knight of Coins, yeah, look at that. This is your main energy, sweetheart. 9 of Pentacles energy. Kaliwat kanan dito mga babes ang offer dito, no? Wow, yung nakita natin dito na opportunities para mas gumanda yung life mo, opportunities for growth, opportunities of abundance, opportunities of prosperity, name it. Left, right, no? Kahit saan puwedeng padaanin ito sa'yo ni universe, look at that 'no. So, ilatag muna natin lahat. Another ace, 1-1. Okay, you could be seeing 1-1-1 right here, 11-11, you're on the right path to something very extraordinary, something who feels like a dream, 4 of Swords energy, magical. Look at that, magician energy. Bottom of the deck, we have here the 8 of Wands, 5 of Wands, and the Hangman. Beautiful. So, ang ganda, grabe. So, bago natin pag-usapan ito more, no, batiin muna natin lahat. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Istan buyers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, meron pa tayong other channel link down below sa ating description box. So, just take only what resonates and of course, mga babes, no, timeless tayo dito, puwedeng nangyari na, sa iba nangyayari na, sa iba mangyayari pa lang. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates. But here, definitely, you're heading into something beautiful, something magical, something that feels like a dream, but it's gonna happen in your reality. And then, boom, we have here this. Nine of Coins energy. You will be abundant in any way, shape, form possible, no? So I do see that you're gonna receive here presents, gifts, no? Lalo na rito, no, sa inyo ritong money and coins. And look at that, meron pa ritong tumatarget sa'yo rito. Ikaw ang next target niya when it comes to love. Magkakaroon rito ng spark na lalaki yan na parang ganito yung usok kalaki, yung apoy, yung flame, that is the flame of passionate love. I do see that whoever this Knight of Pentacles energy, this person here is someone who's gonna take care of your heart. Wow! Someone who also, nakikita ko dito, no, na masi-steal rin niya ang inyong heart and attention. So, I do see, no, someone here, no, will definitely may mamit kayo rito and prepare. 1 week preparation. Kaya ba? So, kasi naman 'tong mga energies na ito, no, this will caught you by surprise. Like, it looks like you do not really know what's happening in the background. You're just relaxing right here. You're doing your own thing. You are doing your own business. No, you're minding your own business. You're doing something. And then, boom. Diba? Ito na yon. I do see that whoever it is na mga makaka-resonate dito, this is something here that parang too good to be true, but it's about to happen here and everything is just aligning here, no, in your intentions, in the dreams that you want to fulfill. Wow. So I do see that you have all the tools that you need in order to make this happen. Magician energy. And strong energy na nakukuha ko rito 'no, nakukuha ko yung mga individual rito ng, may mataas na faith. Wala tayong religion dito, wala tayo rito 'no, na beliefs and traditions, but I'm seeing those people 'no, na naniniwala rito 'no, na one day their life ay talagang magiging maganda. Everything right here 'no, will be in order, in place sa love life area, sa money area, sa personal area, sa any area ng kanyang life in general. Wow! Eto na yun 'no. So, I do see na hindi lamang yung blessings of love, hindi lamang itong someone very worthy dito 'no, na makatanggap ng love from you guys 'no, ang maa-attract mo dito, pati yung mga may utang rito ng sorry sa'yo. Yung mga may utang ng apology, ng forgiveness rito 'no, matatanggap mo rin yung mga pahirapang mensahe dati sa kanila 'no. They will reach out on their own and I'm seeing them 'no, asking for your forgiveness, others asking for your second chance 'no, even though wala ng second chance for them. Definitely, all of the people who hurt you will definitely magdadagsaan dito. Hindi man sila sabay-sabay pero sila yung mga pahirapang mga tao 'no, na mariringgan mo ng salitang sorry pero maririnig mo 'yan. Wow! So I do see that you're getting powerful and powerful because you're stepping into your own confidence, and I do see that it is your pananampalataya, it is your faith in your God, in universe 'no, that one day your life will change and then Tsa-tsan! Everything right here 'no, will be served sa inyo 'no, in your freaking plate. So, I do see money, love, perfect 'no. So, I do see that you will have this very relaxing, very comfortable life 'no. You will not really needing anything because everything will just come to you effortlessly. This kind of life you deserve, Nine of Pentacles energy. And yeah, yung iba sa inyo, nakita ko rito gustong-gusto niyo mag-travel pero walang anda. Or iniisip ninyo budget, 'yan 'no, or gusto ninyo sana tuloy-tuloy na travel after ninyong mag-travel sa isang place pero kailangan muna mag-ipon 'no. Now, hindi na magiging problema yon because of this tatapakan ninyo ditong energy 'no, and everything will start happening, everything will begin like gano'n 'no. So, alam ko hindi sunod-sunod yung gano'n. Paano ginagawa ng iba yung gano'n? Pero yun nga 'no, nakita ko dito 'no na may mga mauuna, like 1 week preparation na lang for you guys and then boom, everything will start to change. You will see this kind of differences. slowly appearing right before your eyes, you're gonna see this, okay? But universe is telling you not to say no with anything, okay? Not to say no with anything. Ano yun, Miss Yan? Because there's this Knight of Pentacles energy, Seven of Pentacles energy, example, okay? Meron kayong work, and then meron dito nag-alok sa inyo ng part-time job, and then maganda, sounds like good, pero after hearing a small part of it na parang, "Ay, parang ano ata, parang hindi ata okey sa'kin yun." No, 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 push it, okey? Kasi yung small detail na yun is just a distraction. It's not really something that you think. It's the other way around. So, definitely there's a twist. So, universe wants you to, accept anything na darating rito, opportunity sa iyong money, okay? Kung may mga dumating dito na mga, new love or mga manliligaw rito 'no, entertain them 'no, pero not to the point na, um, you will, put emotions na, you will put feelings na 'no. It's just that talk to them, get to know them 'no. But if you feel like 'no, na parang they're not in your alignment, then you can reject them, 'no? Pero 'pag may mga opportunities kahit ay ano 'yan, accept, okey, accept. Kasi the next thing na makikita mo rito, 'no, is ito na, yung mga new beginning, 111, you're on the right path, 'no? So, the universe wants to see if you're very, in this type of energy na accepting, like open arms with any opportunities so that they can bring this dream life that you want. Okay? Wow, I do see right here no Eight of Wands energy, messages na mga hinihintay mo dati magdadatingan dito, mga tao dito na hinihintay mo ring magbago, no? Especially, I don't know if this is your kapitbahay or yung mga hindi mo basta maalis sa buhay mo. May mga pagbabago sa kanilang mga ugali na ikakatuwa mo. I also see right here, no, with the Hangman energy, your life will be less stressful. I do see that your life na mga darating ay yung celebratory life, you know, that kind of celebratory life, no? Yung parang um, mag-effort ka man, pero less na lang, pero yung dating ng swerte or pasok ng swerte, big time. Otte. How was it? Awesome. Anity. Diba? So, kasi naman 'tong energy nito, nakikita natin dito that this is something here, no, like a balanced life. This is something here, no, who feels like, magical yung datingan, no? I mean, which feels like magical, dream-like feeling, but it's real. It's coming forth into your reality. I'm seeing you right in here. Meron kayong mga pangarap na bilhin ng mga goods, mga material things, no? Pero pwedeng out of budget or lagi niyong tinitingnan yung budget, yun. But now, kahit hindi niyo tingnan yung price in this life that I'm telling you guys, you only have 1 week left to receive this. Wow, claim this now. Okay? And even yung mga tinitingnan mo ng mga presyo dati, hindi mo na kailangan tingnan yung mga presyo dito. If you want something, you can buy it. Wow, you can purchase it without looking at its price, 'di ba? Whatever brand is that, I do see Two of Pentacles energy, I do see 'no, na magiging busy kayo dito sa kaliwa't kanang opportunity sa money 'no, magiging busy kayo sa work. Others of you could be branching out, puwedeng magkaroon rito ng other branches yung negosyo ninyo or baka naman kayo ito 'no, na mag-elevate ang inyo ritong career. Basta merong magandang mangyayari sa pera ninyo. Okay, yung iba nakita ko dito multiple yung pagkakakitaan ninyo. So maganda yung energy na binubuga dito para sa inyong kaperahan, abundance, and prosperity. Plus someone here is targeting you pagdating sa love. Everything will happen 1 week before. It will start approaching, appearing right before your eyes, no? And the next thing, no, na makikita mo dito is when you look in the mirror, nagulat ka na, no? Na, ay, parang ang ganda-ganda ko naman tingnan ngayon, ang syala-syala kong tingnan ngayon, ang gwapo-gwapo kong tingnan ngayon, and then magugulat ka, yung damit na suot mo ngayon, yun yung damit na pinapangarap mo lang bilhin noon. Wow! And then magugulat ka, itong ulam na 'to na dati tuwing may birthday mo lang nakakain or puwedeng may birthday mo lang nabibili, ito na puwedeng araw-araw, 'di ba? Wow! Talking about abundance, talking about prosperity, there's nothing that you can lack. Nothing that you can lack right here. Busog sa pagmamahal, there's new person right here coming into your life, okay? A very worthy person, and then there's this abundance in your money wherein you can do anything and everything you want, investing here and there, no? So definitely a very fruitful life awaits you guys. Wow! So yeah, for the initials right here, yes, we do have wala akong nakikitang capital letters pero I'm seeing a lot of letters. Shall we begin? A, E, F, O, J, K, M, E, I, Q, Y, and L. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much again. I'm Yuriana on Sarang Hail, Love and Light. 안녕.